Verde, bianco, rosso. One of the wonderful things about cooking, it's like any other creative activity, is sometimes you wake up, you get inspiration. This is day 7 of lockdown in Italy. I've been watching all these incredible videos of Italians getting out and singing on their balconies and showing unity and their patriotism towards Italy, and this thing's really bringing us together. And today I woke up with a little inspiration. I can't sing, so I wanted to celebrate Italy, and so I thought of the Italian flag, and I have this, one of my favorite cooking ingredients in the world is ricotta salata. I do so many things with ricotta salata. This is a sheep ricotta salata. You'll see it's perfect for grating. It's just like you grate it and it turns into snowflakes, and when you do that, tomato sauce is an immediate, it's a perfect match. And then I had this wonderful spinach, which they're organic, and so they're gonna get like 3 or 4. I'm gonna have to rinse that 3 or 4 times. So it's early in the morning still, but I have my inspiration, and I want to eat healthy. So I was thinking of whole wheat pasta, but I also have these LORIGHITTAS, which is a Sardinian handmade pasta. I forgot an important point about my inspiration, and it's really how I was introduced to Italian cooking, and it was via Marcella Hazan. And this recipe is actually a version of her spinach and tomato pasta. That's just where this inspiration comes to. And I'm honoring today Marcella Hazan. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. As I was saying, Italian pastas and Italian cooking in general, especially in Sardinia, it's very rare to find more than 3 or 4 ingredients. And this pasta is a classic example. I'm using olive oil, spinach, tomatoes, and ricotta salata and salt and pepper. That's it. Let's take a look at the ricotta salata I was talking about before. So when you get fresh ricotta, it'll last 3, 4, 7 days in your refrigerator. Ricotta salata, they say Roman soldiers used to bring it around. It makes sense. You have a lot of whey, you make ricotta, you can't consume all the ricotta fresh, so they cured it. And you can get different versions of ricotta salata, more moist or drier and harder. I love the moisture ricotta salatas, and you'll see this grates like snowflakes. It's just amazing. It's just, whenever I look at my ricotta salata in the refrigerator, it's like, I want to eat it with honey. I want to make a tomato sauce. I want to just slice some tomatoes over it and, you know, drizzle some olive oil. And look at how that's just wonderful, you know, and it's so tasty. My canned tomatoes, I found these wonderful Sardinian canned tomatoes. I don't have to do anything. I literally open up this can. I'm gonna blend it, and I'm just gonna cook it with a tiny bit of garlic and this really awesome olive oil. I actually, and I think this is true in Italian cooking, we use a bit more olive oil than you'd expect in terms of quantity. You'll see in this pasta. I like to use, this is an organic olive oil. This is a very low acidity. This is 0.2 acidity. It's just, and it's extra virgin, but it's not overpowering. It is fruity. You get grass, you get butter, you get artichoke, but it's just, so these are the ingredients. I did choose today to do fusilli. This is gonna soak up the pasta, and I woke up this morning, I wanted healthy. This is whole wheat pasta. That they've improved so much whole wheat pastas in Italy now, so you can really get great whole wheat pastas, and this will cook al dente. Here I like to saute my garlic. I keep it whole so I can take it out. I make sure that I don't burn it. And now I've rinsed the spinach 3 times, okay? And I just chopped it, and we're gonna cook it down. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt on top. And like that. We're gonna cover it and let it cook down for 2-3 minutes. It's Sunday afternoon, 7 days into the lockdown, and this is cooked like an Italian. We're in Sardinia, Italy, and the Sunday afternoon, cooking like Italian, what are we doing? We're drinking Cannonau wine. I've cooked down the sauce now. I've lowered the flame. The pasta, the water is boiling. We've salted the water. So we're going to dump our pasta into the water now. We chose this whole grain fusilli, which are going to be wonderful. You're gonna soak up this pasta. And I tasted the sauce. It's a little bland right now because I didn't add any salt yet, because the salt's in the water. And I just added some pepper. I added a nice fresh leaf of basil in the sauce. And since we're using ricotta salata, we're gonna put this in right when we put the pasta in, but this is salty. And so this will totally change the taste of the sauce. So right now it's bland, but you'll see when we add the ricotta salata, it's gonna give it a nice kick. Okay, today we said that we were gonna celebrate Italy with the Italian flag. So red, white, and green. We said we were going to celebrate Marcella Hazan. And now this is the magic move. This is the most important part of a pasta, like a downswing and a golf swing. You make the transition from the upswing to the downswing. This is the magic move. So it's basically, again, this pasta still needs about 2 minutes of cooking, okay? But you have all that wonderful starchy water, okay? Salty starchy water. And right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish the pasta with the starchy water. So like I said, it needs 2 minutes. I'm gonna at least do 1 ladle, another ladle, probably a little half, okay? And we're gonna let this cook like this, and we'll cook this down. And you'll see it doesn't look great right now, but in 2 minutes, the pasta will finish cooking here and soak it up, and we will be ready to eat, and we'll add the cheese in a second. The pasta has soaked up all the starchy water. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in a little ricotta salata, and we're gonna mix it, and voila, this pasta is ready to eat. Viva l'Italia!